get spread very quickly. And so we are seeing conditions reaching at least some of those threshold wind speeds over into areas of that Silverado Canyon where the bonfire is currently burning. We have another fire in Corona and another, the Nuevo fire, out towards El Cajon. So red flag warning conditions, the big problem here is that this is going to continue on for several days. It's not just today. The only bit of good news here is that the high wind warning will expire today. So the strongest winds out of all of this are happening right now through this morning. And then as we're heading into the afternoon, that high wind warning will expire about 6 p.m. for most areas, but we will still continue on with wind advisory level winds. So that means instead of that 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, we're going to bring down those wind gusts to about 40 to 45. So still strong, but not nearly as ferocious as what we're dealing with right now. 36-mile-per-hour winds out in Santa Ana, 34 into Riverside. Again, all these magenta colors. If you just look at this bar up top, you're going to see that 40-mile-per-hour to 50-mile-per-hour winds are not out of the question. And it's really widespread through the Inland Empire, really widespread up against our mountains, the Santa Clarita Valley, even along the 5 heading into Fraser Park. And I know Brianna was mentioning just some of these roadways are very dangerous to travel on right now on account of these strong winds. Now we're going to continue on with gusty weather through again Saturday. And then there's another wind event behind that for Sunday and Monday. So this is several days of this, unfortunately. But again, the strongest winds, at least that's the part of the good news that we have here this morning, they're continuing to die down as we get farther into today. 49 degrees out towards Los Angeles, 60 in Ontario this morning, a little bit warmer in some spots. 6. It's freezing, though. If you are heading out towards the high desert areas, Lancaster, Palmdale, Lake Los Angeles, there is a hard freeze warning that will continue through about 9 a.m. on Friday. These get issued for 3 days in a row typically, and then we stop issuing them because the hope is that you understand that this is the season we're in. On Tuesday, another round of wind as we're heading into Wednesday. Again, when we have these types of... So surfers, just be warned. Very... Brianna Ruffalo, listen, take a look at traffic this morning. How's it looking out on the road?